I hear the same kind of thing from songwriters over and over again. It goes something like this. I want to write, but I just don't have enough time. Or, I used to write songs all the time. Maybe one day I'll be able to get back to it. Or, I just don't know how you have time to write all those songs. Does any of that sound familiar? The fact is, we all live life at warp speed. Everybody is so busy. Believe me, I know. I work from home. I homeschool my 11-year-old son. I'm involved in my church worship team. I'm a songwriter. I'm a wife. So what's the answer? Can a busy mom still be a songwriter? Or do we just have to wait until those kids grow up and move out of the house? Take heart, my friend. There's help and there's hope. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you how to stop busyness from killing your songwriting. I'm Beth Champion Mason, founder of 5-Star Songwriting, where we help struggling songwriters expand their expertise and achieve their own 5-star potential so they can write songs that impact the world. When I was first starting out as a songwriter many years ago, I knew God had called me to write songs, but the songs I was writing were not good, to say the least. I floundered around for a long time, trying to find the secrets to great songwriting. I made some expensive mistakes, squandered many years and thousands of dollars on songwriting courses and books and competitions and I don't know, you name it, that promised the moon and stars but usually didn't deliver. Now, I've finally been able to reach my own songwriting goals, and I want to help you do that too. So, here are the top 3 things I recommend to save your songwriting from busyness. Number 1, create a songwriting habit. Start out with just 15 minutes a day. I know, you might think that 15 minutes isn't enough to get anything accomplished, but I promise you it is. I started doing this out of complete desperation, when my life had become so hectic that I hadn't written a song in over a year. And it was killing me. If you're a creative person like me, you can't not create for very long and still stay sane. It's like therapy. It's a form of self-care. So take care of your creative soul and start a songwriting habit. Number 2, do one thing during those 15 minutes. Work on a chorus or write a new idea or study someone else's songs. You could just sing a little melody idea into your phone recorder, or maybe you could sort through all those ideas you jotted down throughout your day and highlight the ones you want to work on next. The point is, stay focused. It's only 15 minutes. And the more you can home in on one specific small goal, the better. For extra efficiency, after your 15 minutes is up today, go ahead and choose what you'll work on tomorrow so you can jump right back in. Number 3, focus on finishing. If I work on a song for 15 minutes a day, I can finish the whole song in a week. That might not seem like a ton, considering some of my Nashville friends who are full-time songwriters write 2 songs a day, like every day. But if you focus on finishing 1 song a week, which is totally doable, you could write 52 songs this year. I don't know what your current output is, but 52 songs a year is not too shabby. Just focus on finishing. Don't start 10 different songs and then move on without really fleshing them out. Stick with one until it's done. Not perfect, but done. And then apply what you learned on that one to the next one. If you do that, not only will you keep on getting better with every song, but you'll build up a repertoire of songs to choose from, either for recording yourself or pitching to others. So, those are my top 3 tips for rescuing your songwriting from busyness. You can do this. I'm Beth Champion Mason, and I'm on a mission to help Christian songwriters explode their expertise so they can increase their impact and advance the kingdom of God. If you know an aspiring songwriter who needs help, do me a favor and please share this video with them. Tag a Christian songwriter you know who needs to hear this message, and let's help them become the impactful, influential songwriter they are called to be. And if you'd like to get more tips, tools, and training like this, just go to my website, www.5starsongwriting.com, and I have a free special gift for you. Until next time, keep up the good work, superstar. Now go write a song.